So closer the better, as long as you're not in danger, basically. Hey! Welcome back to the next episode of this YouTube series called Stupid Stuff. And I think you can guess what we have today. It's going to be pretty bad. It's a barbell.
Hey.
Without weights on it, because it's already pretty heavy.
Yeah,
Okay.
indeed.
What would you say it weighs?
It weighs a lot.
Yeah, I'd say like 10 to 15 kilograms. So, good times. So, this is Mr. Alex Hatt.
Hello again. And this is Mr. MCP.
Yeah, nice. I'm going to start so that I don't kill you. Oh, that'd be bad. Hand wraps. Oh, okay. Oh.
I'm guessing
Okay.
it's quite slowly still here.
I'm getting quite a lot of hand bruises as well from that. You can have a go in the old fishtails if you like. That'll work out.
I do have my left arm.
Yeah. Nicely done.
Easier on the right.
Oh. Yeah, precisely. I don't think you want to try and stall that one. I would stall. Cool. Yeah, my wrist would keep going, I think.
Yeah,
okay.
for sure.
Okay.
Break up the shoulder.
Oh, that's not nice.
A massage for us to go.
Oh, God damn it. Yeah, that's good. You can have a go. I think a little bit too heavy. Maybe a lot too slidey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty slowly.
Oh, nice. Oh, go for the Jesus. That's
Collarbone.
what I should have put on the list. Maybe some padding on there.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm going to do something easy. Oh, yeah. Yeah, skin is good. Skin is good.
Yeah. As soon as it rolls into bone, it's just like, yeah, not too nice.
Yeah, see, this is why I wanted to do it outside.
That would be our gym floor scraped up
Yeah,
into
yeah.
there.
Ta-da. I don't know what, but I need a rest. Bop, 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 bop. This was actually surprisingly nice, though. Oh, a little meat jump.
What's else?
Got a whole bunch of bad ideas.
All the bad ideas. I don't know about any of the vertical stuff.
Like, I'm not even. I'm thinking about angel rolls, but I'm also thinking how bad of an idea it's going to be.
Yeah. I mean, it definitely
Oh
rolls.
yeah. Do a T-roll. Is that okay? It looks quite light when you're doing it, but I know for a fact it's very heavy.
The wrists are nice.
Oh.
Here we go.
God, I'm going to try cheating this.
You just-
Oh, fuck me.
you might not cheat there.
I might. It's going to be the slowest cheating death ever. Oh, I got a forearm. I'm going to have so many bruises. Okay.
Feel them coming. Move up a little bit.
Yeah, it's for Dave, but it rolls down my this instead of it rolls when it hits my skin, but it doesn't roll on the t-shirt. Whatever, easy. God, it's not like. Oh, fuck me.
Something easy.
I'm gonna get the nerve to do that in a second. I'm just gonna...
Handspin.
Oh yeah, I can't do it.
Try not to drop it on my head.
Ooh, bro. Oh, you got some guts to do that. Oh. Yeah, it's a workout, right?
Yeah.
Nice work. Oh. Okay, come on. I feel like all other staffs, my head is not this knobbly. It's never been this knobbly before. Got too much hair gel on. That's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it.
I think it's too long to focus though. Try this.
You have very long legs. I think you're trying. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna slide straight off my shoes as well.
That is not the way in I would have picked.
No, I always just
Yeah, and then just kick it up.
Yeah.
Okay. Not catching that. Yeah, maybe.
I guess, yeah, the metal against like fabric
It's just gone.
slowly.
Because otherwise I would have had it.
Wow.
Oh.
I guess, yeah, that can work. Okay.
Maybe get some dessert. That's a no. Oh, damn it. It's so irritating. It feels like it's got a lot of momentum to come around and then it's just sliding right off you. It's just like, oh.
Hey, it's not the one. Maybe with a grip.
Yeah, I mean, some barbells have knurling here,
Yeah.
but I'm feeling if it was aggressive knurling, they would rip you up.
Is
Kinda
there
like
any like
worse than silicone. Because it's like essentially like a metal chisel if it's really aggressive. Like a file.
Is there any like unique properties to this?
Maybe apart from the weight, I feel like no, and it's quite long.
Yeah.
I'm just going to wrap up because I'm very disappointed in myself.
Don't be disappointed.
Thanks.
Need to grip. Get a grip, man. Get a grip.
Yeah, this is a common thread to all of these videos, I think. Getting a grip, make it better. Maybe we'll revisit this with a grip.
We'll see.
We'll see in the future. What we give? I'm giving this like 2. Straight
Yeah,
up.
it's not practical. Too heavy.
Oh, maybe 1.5 actually. 1.5. What do you think, camera person?
Yeah, maybe a 2.
Oh, that's high. That's high. Well, you did get the Steve out pretty good.
I mean, it rolls, so it's
Yeah.
not blocked in that sense.
Possibly if you're topless, it's better.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
sticks to the skin better than
Yeah.
the fabric. But
Okay. And the weight is quite nice. The
yeah,
weight, like, it sticks down on you. That's
yeah, for sure. I mean, it's definitely a workout. So for like other purposes other than stuff, building strength would be a thing.
How was it on fishtails? You had to feel like you have to keep your wrist up a lot.
It was painful.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
and
the
like-
wrist straps were super painful.
At arm's length
Oh,
as
okay.
well. That's a little weight. For sure.
Shoulder workouts, plus, A+. Short video today, sorry about that. If you liked the video, you could like it with a thumbs up. Thanks, camera person, they can't see. No. You don't press stop until I say, oh! Sorry. Yeah, now you're scared. Boom. If you have any suggestions for other super staffs, comment them down below. Hopefully you did like the video with Outside Times and Mr. Alex Hat.
MCP.
And together we are team.
Dumbbell. Ta-da.
That's okay actually, team Dumbbell.